behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world of me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
Hey guys, you mind moving a couple of those cones for me? I can't get through there.
Yeah, I don't think he can hear you.
Straight, but there's cones in the middle of my lane, man. I can't get through there. Is there any way you can... Thanks, guys.
Not really that one, it's the next one, right?
Yeah.
I don't...
Well, the next few, I mean,
Yeah,
3,
there's
4.
no way. And see, here's the thing, we can't put our tire in those rocks because it's so soft. We would be screwed instantly.
Right.
Look at them all sitting around. Okay, this is even more narrow. And this ledge. I'm gonna get out myself. If they're not walking over?
No, there's no.
Yeah,
Just gonna walk the whole way?
Yep.
Okay, put the stairs down so I can get out.
How's that?
Really good until we get to where that guy is. Good job, thank you so
I'm
much.
gonna do it again. But I hope our dashboard's on it.
Yeah, dashboard guy, I saw it.
You tell me, I'll get right out because I don't want our tires going on that. We're gonna, you know.
Yeah.
Is that one okay?
Good job.
I mean, it was just insane to me. And then they had 20 minutes while we were stopped to say, hey, a big motorhome's coming, let's move the cones a little. Nothing, no planning.
Let's see how that steamroller's on that side?
Yeah. Look how much space he has.
I can literally walk on, I can probably drive on that side now. You know what I mean? Like it's...
Well, I'm gonna get out when you get past this one, get close to that next one, or the following. Which one should I focus on?
I think the second, the one by the tree.
Yeah, because those next two are tight.
Yeah.
And we're not, why should we stress ourselves?
Actually, if you don't mind doing this one too. And then there's 2 or 3. Well, no, this one I can get. The next one, the mailbox.
Okay. Yeah. I'll get out of here.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, just those low branches got us a little bit.
Yeah, really tiny thing, but
Oh, and I'll definitely get these too.
yeah, maybe 3.
Yep. You want to ask them?
Okay. These wobbling to the thing, he's not coming in. tell, hey. Take it out of my bus.
Imagine we sit by a fire later on night.
Thank you.
I would agree.
This is the cider?
Oh, that's mine. Oh, you wouldn't like that very much.
I got
What'd you think?
That ain't right.
Sorry. We mess you up.
No,
Oh, look at that.
No, I'm just new.
Thank you.
I hit add a customer, right? No. I'm just going to ticket, new ticket, and then we'll have fireside chats tonight.
That
Sounds like a
awesome.
plan to me.
And then are you guys open on Sunday?
Yes,
Open
we're
tomorrow?
open 12 to 6. Sometimes at first 12 to 10.
So cool. We're starting a YouTube channel, so with our travels. So tomorrow we're hoping to kind of walk around and do like the whole little thing and introduce
Promote it.
Promote it.
Run off tomorrow.
Not run it off. That's awesome.
Sounds like
Thank
win.
you. Well, this
very
is
much.
round one.
Yep, here we go.
See you in a little bit.
Thank you.
And how perfect. So Noelle's able to run in and out of the bus when she needs anything.
Right.
Drink, bathroom, anything.
It's amazing. Can you extend this for me, please? Just pull.
Right, so watch where you're going. Right, ready.
Oh, she's got a 20-year-old.
Sophie's back in the bed.
Yeah, Lucy's about to.
Looking for me?
So look at right there is our setup.
I know, I saw it. I was heading it out now. I am going down there.
Oh, awesome.
You guys having fun?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Well, now you know what we'll be. And then if not there, then we're right in here getting a drink.
Look at all the cans. It's like the
Oh wow, yep, just like the other brewery.
Yeah.
What's that other
Dixie.
brewery called?
well, we got the Dixie can.
So cool.
It was called Fallberg.
Yes.
F-A-U.
Nice memory, babe.
Oh, the cows.
All of them, and there's one over there too.
Oh my
At
goodness.
least one of the ones that are over there were over there. And it's hard to tell.
You see the baby?
It doesn't look like they're tagged.
There's a baby. No, I don't see any tags on this brown one.
Beautiful.
Alright, go left up these stairs and we cut through the band time. We're heading to our seats, okay?
Okay, love you.
I love you.
Have fun.
Puppy. Hi. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Hi. Oh, you're so soft and cuddly.
How'd you know the dogs?
I unhooked our dogs, and then all of a sudden all the dogs came over, and two of them stood on different.
They're all jealous of the dog beds, I think, huh?
I'm gonna follow one can the whole way. Actually, I want to follow a can from up here down to here, down to here. Don't want to look there.